I have officially lost 30,000 was what I started with. Thought I knew what I was doing when I began investing in the stock market a few years ago. I am genuinely starting to get scared that I'll lose everything. When do you guys cut your losses and take a hit? Am I just overthinking? Or should I be worried? Any advice would be greatly appreciated. Thank you all in advance. Sounds like you are day trading or just watch a stock go down for a few days and sell low. It's never too late to lose it all. Or should I be worried? I would be very worried if I was chasing meme whiteber stocks. What are you holding? Stop day trading and look into investing in SP 500 mutual funds and other funds. Time to start only indexing. Congratulations. Now stop gambling. Thought I knew what I was doing. Narrator, they did not. If you invested in penny stocks and with companies who are not making money, expect more pain. So looks like you are trying to pick individual stocks based on your own research? In general, you will underperform SP 500. For every TSLA pick there will be a BBBY1 that will wipe out your gains. I don't know how you allocated, but it's hard to be an expert on different sectors with 30 different companies. I work in tech and would have a hard time predicting how Meta or Google would perform. Never mind retail and cybersecurity. When you factor in 50 inflation, you've actually lost 75. Cracks me up that I can put money in a HYSA and get better returns than all the genius day traders. Are you picking individual stocks? If so, that's likely one of the issues, the market just being down in general. You don't lose your investment until you take out the money. So are you taking out your money or letting it work for you? Giving it time. I'm not touching my investments for 30 years. So I just do index funds and try to forget about it. When the market is down a bit now, that's when stocks are on sale. What stocks? It depends on what stocks you bought. Is it the VU SPY? Just hang tight for the long haul. Some piece of crap penny stock. Then eek. EMA, keep it a buck. I think OP has a majority in GME. And seeing as GME is down 44 over 3 months, it lines up perfectly. Plus OP bought himself a nice little silver rocket ship and posted it to various smaller investing subreddits a year ago. Not saying it's 100 the case. But boy howdy do things align within that picture. Here's the thing. If you're not confident in your analysis, you're not. You're asking Reddit for advice. The stocks you picked might just be losers, which will lose more. If you had index funds, I think it's easier to be more confident. Or hire a financial advisor. 90. Feel better, buddy. SP 500 and chill. Now. So you can think these companies will go bankrupt? That's the only way you lose everything. And if that's a concern, why the hell did you buy in the first place? Are you trying to be a stock picker without knowing anything about picking stocks? Because that might be your problem. I get that with the internet. Everyone thinks they're good at and understand everything. But you don't. Look no further than the empirical evidence in front of you. You do not know what you're doing. Ignorance is fine and a natural state. Embrace it. Look up good advice from respected experts. The more boring the advice, the more likely it is to be good. There's no secret trick the stock market hates but can't stop you from doing. As a fellow non-genius investor, just do the normal, boring, solid thing, taking into consideration your particular financial goals and risk tolerance. I would say don't sell. Stock market going up and down is part of how it behaves. The ones FHAT loose money are the ones that get scared and sell. Do covered calls on those stocks that are above your average price. Our boggleheads. If you are day trading, you've already lost. Real investing takes two things: time and capital. X200B. If you try to get cute with day trading, it will burn you every time. I'm going to save you 50 into 1-month bonds, 50 into the SP 500. Don't fucking touch it. Educate yourself via here. YouTube. There's honestly great info on there, and Wikipedia for learning the terminology. Then make your moves. Don't buy Reddit HiveMind meme stocks or funds. Don't touch crypto. For now. Don't dividend yield chase. Educate yourself or use a robo-investor. Rookie numbers. Do you like your investments? Have there been environmental factors that have decreased the value of your investments? What has changed about them that have decreased the value? No idea what you own. Are you going to be comfortable with it going down another 50? You should take a big step back and think about what your goals are and what this money is meant for, as well as how much risk you can handle. What happened? I'm now barely above break even over that period myself. It's frustrating. I would say try to simplify things. Picking individual stocks hasn't seemed to work out well so far. So why not make life easy and just focus on an SP 500 index fund instead? Keep going so you learn. You guys don't set stop loss? First time? Smirk. No need to worry, just remember time in the market beats the market. I know I will get rocks thrown, but we all know out portfolios go down more percentage-wise than the index markets. They target our retail holdings and shoot them to shit. If you are not in options, you will not lose it all. But that being said, your companies must grow and profit for the stocks to rebound. If you are holding Rivian and Lucid, you will be waiting and rolling the dice. Lost 50 so far. Lose not loose. Index funds are the best bet. VTI. VU. Investing isn't about being smart, it's about being emotionally intelligent. Sounds like you may be investing in just plain stocks day to day. I'd recommend a mutual fund and stick with it. Don't get scared when the market drops. Look at that as a chance to buy low. IDK though, I'm just a Redditor making a comment. If it helps, I lost more than that in both percentage and notional terms in Northwest Healthcare ETF alone. It'll come back. You'll recover. Just hold and don't sell. Market has its cycle. Take this as paying for a re-ally. Really important lesson. I used to invest in individual stocks and had to learn the same lesson. Same way. Thousands of dollars lost. It opens you up to learn about total market index funds, and it's been a great path ever since then. 50 so far. Trading or investing? Well, the whole market will tank in 2024, so there's that. Be safe. Go to Cancun and get some blow and hookers. Might as well, you'll have way more fun. Have been there. Depends which stocks you hold. Stop trying to beat the system. Stick with index funds or a professionally managed portfolio. I stopped after I lost 80. You are learning. Game is rigged. The house always wins ultimately. Our boggleheads. You should look at it as, I've kept 50. You still have 15,000 to go. Dude. A few years ago it was hard to lose money. Not so anymore. That's why, as a novice without a Bloomberg terminal at home, you should only invest in established companies with long track records and hold. Anything else is gambling, and you have better odds of making money at a casino.